I want to go through that bit.
You got me fucked up, bro. Get me the fuck out of here, man. Who the fuck are you, bro?
Hey yo, me, what happened to you, bro? What's good, bro? Hey, trick or treat.
Nah, bro. Get me the fuck out of here.
What do you mean? What did you do? Yeah, how'd you get in prison, bro? What happened? What you?
You don't know me?
I do, bro. Freaking no, bro. Me maker head ass, bro. What you doing? What you doing here?
The cell doors.
Man, what you mean? Freaking, bro, you got a big ass head, bro. What you mean? Megamon head ass, bro. Blimp balloon head ass, bro. What you mean, bro? You talking about, bro? Come on, bro. Airhead. Nigga, your head look like an Airhead commercial. What you talking about, bro? What you talking about, bro? Big ass head, bro. No neck ass nigga. What you talking about, bro? Straight face ass, big nose ass, bro. Nigga, the top of your head look like a Reese's cup. We thought. Now we chilling. Okay, we chilling, bro.
The cell doors have been opened.
Hey, it's all good, bro. Oh, nah. Hey, yo, my Naruto fans know what's up.
Where's the last one?
Hey, yo, I see a Luigi behind that van. Y'all see that? Hey, look. Yo, look. Hey, yo, Luigi. Hey, yo, Luigi.
Oh, never mind.
Hey, yo, get Luigi. Hey, Luigi's good, bro. Hey, yo, where Mario at? Where Mario at? Luigi, no.
Luigi, bro. Nah, Luigi is the fucking MVP. I don't care.
No, you tell me. You talking about me or somebody else?
No. I was roasting another motherfucker's J's, man. Those shits were nasty, bro. And
what
wouldn't you believe he paid like 3 trillion for them bitches? Look. Oh wait, right behind you. This man right.
Oh.
Where's your Supreme fit? Where's your Supreme fit? Where is it?
And Cloud, you gonna take that,
Yeah,
bro?
put that shit on.
Luigi flaming.
What is this, bro? What is this?
Oh.
Bruh, this shit costs 2 bands.
That's so
okay,
sad.
2 bands.
Them shits cost 2 bands just for some dog shit, bro.
Alright, keep the sword though.
Oh.
Okay, the sword is heat, but everything else, take that shit off.
No, hey, yo, I see somebody behind that van.
Honestly, I've done that as a prisoner before.
Hold on, I know this ain't Luigi over here. I know this ain't Luigi. Hey, yo, get your player 2 looking at. Hey, get back. Hey, yo, get your player 2 head ass. Yo, can I get a bottle of water or something, right? No.
I will slap your head if you say that to me one more time. We don't say it like that. We pronounce the T, right? We pronounce the T.
All right, how do you say it then?
Water, right? Water. It's water.
They'll never know.
Hey, are you gonna troll one of the guards or what? Are you gonna troll him? What you gonna do, man?
It's trolling. They scared me. Not gonna lie. Hey. Sophie.
Oh, yeah.
Soup, I see.
Bro, no offense, but you don't even have a thing down there. You don't even have a dill.
Shut up.
We're playing basketball. Hey, yo, don't mind me, sir. I'm just playing basketball. I'm just going outside. Hey, playing basketball. Let's go. Oh. Hey, look, I'm just trying to get it right. That's all, bro. Hey.
Yo, all I heard was Walter.
Water.
Water?
It's
Water?
water. It's water. Listen,
Water?
Listen, it's water. It's water.
Water.
It's
Okay.
water. Never say it without the T. If you say it without the T, I will shove that chainsaw up your ass and pull it out your mouth. Right?
That ain't gonna happen. I don't know. Okay, you got the whole squad in here. Okay, you know.
Where's the guy that can...
Dang!
The cell doors will open in 30
No one has to
seconds.
lie. He's in the cell you just passed. He's in that one.
Shoot, not only how did you get in jail, how did you even fit in here? Oh my goodness, bro. How did it get you all?
No, nobody's seen
How
my
did
dad.
anybody fit
Oh,
You even fit in here.
right there?
bro, like pause, but your booty look like 2 giant watermelons. Oh my goodness, bro.
There's like one right there.
Guess what I'm in here for?
You ate like 8 guards. I don't know, bro. Is that really? I don't know, bro.
Said you ate like 8 guards.
Open in 30
I know,
seconds.
bless
What?
myself.
No killing him. No killing him.
Oh, hold on.
You're
I
my
got.
friend.
Oh, I got. You are my friend.
You shoot.
know.
I shoot you.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
That's a banger, bro. You are
Yes,
my
sir.
friend.
Ah, yes, sir. No, no. No, 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 no.
The cell doors have been
You are
opened.
my, you are my friend. You are my friend. No.
My friend.
Bro, shooting me. What up?
You actually got me with that.
Bro, when I see your bald head, I kind of want to just like